Alright, today we're going to make homemade peaches and cream lip gloss. We'll begin with 4 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of shea butter, and 2 teaspoons of beeswax. We're going to add that in. Okay, so now that we have everything melted, we are going to add in some peach red mica powder. Okay, so to get the color that I'm looking for, because what we have here is a little bit too pink, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of orange. And we're going to mix this together. We're also going to add about 10 drops of vanilla ice cream flavoring oil. And about 10 drops of peach flavoring oil. You want to make sure that you stir, and that we have that mixed together. We're going to add it into our lip gloss tubes. Using a funnel. Alright, so we're going to take this and we're just going to slowly pour it into it. And I find lifting it up a little bit helps it to go in. Just pouring a little bit at a time to make sure that we don't overfill. It's perfect. There we go. Once this set, okay, now that the lip gloss is set, we're going to add on the applicators. As you see me doing here, you're going to take the tube in one hand and apply the applicator with the other. Here's a clip of me trying on a sample of the Peaches and Cream lip gloss that I made for myself. It has a smooth and silky texture, easy to apply, and leaves a great shine. Now I'm going to shrink wrap the other 2 lip gloss tubes using shrink wrap pouches. I did decide to take the gloves off for this portion because the heat in the gloves did not mix. For this, we're going to just place the tube inside of the pouch and get the pouch as closely lined up with the lid as possible. I do not have a heating gun, so for this portion, I am just going to use my blow dryer, as I find the heat works just the same. So I'm going to take the blow dryer and I'm just going to apply the heat to the pouch that's on the tube. As you see, it will just quickly shrink around the tube, sealing it, making it ready for the customer.